Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay guys, now I know you guys have been missing a lot of food reviews, so guys, here it is. So today I'm gonna be trying out the mac and cheese Cheetos bold and cheesy flavor. Yeah, I really love Cheetos. Those are my favorite kind of chips. So as you can see right here, look, it's super cheesy. Okay, here we go. It tastes kind of very, very good, and it's really, really cheesy. Here we go. Let's try another one. What? Well, that is cheesy. Now, then. Okay, for the mac and cheese Cheetos, those bold and cheesy flavor, I give it a 10 out of 10. So, Cheetos, you did a very good job. Guys, what is your favorite flavor of Cheetos? Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, guys, I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good day. Have a good night. Peace. I give this Cheetos mac and cheese cup a 10 out of 10.